The storm!
Can't let you know. It's coming faster than we predicted. Konleap, we need to stick together no matter what happens. I remember reading about cave systems in formations like these.
Konpich! Where are you? Keep talking so I can find you! I'm here! Don't move, Onyx! I'll come to you!
We have to get back to the camp!
I can't see it! I can't see you!
Think, Konleap.
Stratified ice means geological activity. Caves.
These formations. There's definitely a cave system here. Konleap! Can you hear me? Konleap! Konpich! I found shelter! Follow my voice! I hear you! I'm coming! Thank goodness you're okay. But we need to break through this ice, guys, now! Stand back! I'll break through! We made it! We actually made it! Incredible. Hey, Bill. This has been frozen for thousands of years. Maybe longer. Konleap? I think I just woke something up.
Konpich, lead it through those narrow passages, Mo. I'll create exit route.
Keep going, Konpich! Almost there. Just a few more seconds.